Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take lesson 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, prose, MCQ, questions. So, get ready. So, there will be 25 questions. So, the first question is before you. When was the inauguration day? Inauguration day किस दिन था? तुम लोग नेल्सन मंडेला लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम लेसन जो पढ़ाए हैं उसमें बहुत क्लियरली बताया है, हमने पढ़ाया है. नंबर ए ऑप्शन इज 10th में, बी इज 10th मार्च, सी इज 20 में, डी इज 20 मार्च. ओके, यू कम. 10th में is absolutely right. So option A is correct. Now I will move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is, it was a celebration of South Africa's first dash government. It was a celebration of South Africa's first dash government. Autocratic, racial, democratic, non-racial. Number C, democratic, racial. Number D, monarch, non-racial. So, see the options. Yes, you come. Ungli se. Finger. Do you all agree? Yes. Option number B, democratic, non-racial government is the right option. Okay. Now, I will move on to question number 3. How many deputy presidents were elected? कितने डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट्स का इलेक्शन हुआ था? क्योंकि ओथ सेरेमनी के बारे में हमने डिस्कशन किया है. 2 डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट, 3 डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट, 4 डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट कितने के किए हैं हमने आपको बताना है. ठीक है, हमने इसमें लेसन में डिस्क्राइब किया है. ठीक है, या कोई डेप्यूटी प्रेसिडेंट था कि नहीं? तो ऑप्शंस आर 2, 3, 1, none. You come. 3, 2. So do you all agree? Yes, sir. 2 deputy presidents were elected. I'll move on to the next question. Actions will be taken, those who are talking. Let me finish this. Number 4, why did other countries broke off diplomatic relations with South Africa? Number A, option A, white rulers. Number B, other countries are racial. Number C, it is a poor country. Number D, apartheid policy. Okay, you come. Option D, do you all agree? Yes, apartheid policy of option D is absolutely right. Okay, I have already taught you apartheid is a system where racial discrimination were made on the basis of color, of the skin. So, what happened? Other countries, they broke off diplomatic relations with South Africa. Okay, due to apartheid policy. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide. What change brought international leaders to South Africa? क्या बदलाव लेकर आया इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स को साउथ अफ्रीका में? What change brought international leaders to South Africa? कौन सा चेंज लेकर आया था? ओके, नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शंस आर ए, एंड ऑफ अपार्थाइड, बी, ह्यूमैनिटी, नंबर सी, पीस, नंबर डी, ट्रेड नेगोशिएशंस. यू कम. What change brought international leaders to South Africa? Do you all agree? End of apartheid is absolutely right, because apartheid was such an evil system in South Africa at that time that no countries supported South Africa. Okay, so the end of apartheid brought international leaders to South Africa. Question number 6. We thank all our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is, after all, a common victory for dash. तो ये नेल्सन मंडेला का एक स्पीच है जो डिस्टिंग्विश्ड इंटरनेशनल जो गेस्ट लीडर्स आए हुए हैं और वो लोग हिस्सा ले रहे हैं उनके इनॉग्रेशन सेरेमनी में, उसके लिए धन्यवाद दे रहे हैं. तो क्या चीज के बारे में वो कह रहे हैं? कॉमन विक्ट्री फॉर, यू सी द ऑप्शन ए जस्टिस, नंबर बी पीस, नंबर सी ह्यूमन डिग्निटी, नंबर डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव. ओके, यू कम. Do you all agree? It was a common victory for justice, peace and human dignity. So option D is absolutely right. Okay, because on the day of the swearing in ceremony of the first black president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela, he gave a speech, and in his speech he told that it was a common victory for justice, peace and human dignity. Okay, next question. What was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? वो कौन सा चीज था जो कि राष्ट्र जो है लिबरेट होना चाहता था, फ्री होना चाहता था? कौन सा चीज से? हाँ, ए पॉवर्टी, बी जेंडर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, सी डेप्रिवेशन, डी ऑल ऑफ दिस. Do you all agree? What was it that the nation needed to be liberated from? Gender discrimination only? How many of you agree with his answer? This is absolutely wrong. D is absolutely right. All of the above. Actually, in his speech only, it's written in the lesson, South African president, the newly elected South African president, wanted to liberate the people from poverty, gender discrimination, deprivation. Okay? So all of the above, this is the option D is the correct answer. Now move on to the next question. Question number 8. We have achieved our political emancipation. What is the meaning of emancipation? Emancipation का मतलब क्या है? उन्होंने कहा, साउथ अफ्रीकन प्रेसिडेंट नेल्सन मंडेला अपने स्पीच में बोले, जब उनका स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी हो गया, उन्होंने बोला कि वी हैव अचीव्ड आवर पॉलिटिकल इमेंसिपेशन. ठीक है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इमेंसिपेशन? इसका मतलब क्या है? ए फ्रीडम फ्रॉम रेस्ट्रिक्शन, नंबर बी एनस्लेवमेंट, नंबर सी स्लेवरी, नंबर डी बोथ 2 and 3. You come. You. Both 2 and 3. It's absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. The correct answer is A. Freedom from restriction. Emancipation. Emancipation मतलब छुटकारा. क्या चीज से छुटकारा चाहिए था? Restrictions से. ठीक है, जो जिस चीज पे रोक लगाया गया था. Okay? Now move on to the next question. Question number 9. The spectacular array of South African jets was a display of dash. A. Military's precision. Number B. Military's loyalty to democracy. both 1 and 2, none of the above. Okay? Yes, you come. Spectacular array of South African jets was a display of A. Military precision, military loyalty to democracy, both 1 and 2, none of the above. Do you all agree? Yes, sir. How many of you agree with this answer? I will give the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Military precision. Do you think loyalty to democracy? Loyalty to democracy, they were showing in front of them when they were marching, when the army was marching. Okay. Is it clear? It was military precision only. A spectacular array of South African jet was a display of military precision. Military's loyalty to democracy, they showed, means they were honoring. What do you think? Which is most important? Military precision or military loyalty to democracy? How many of you say military precision? Raise your hand. Military precision is already marked over there. Okay, none of the above नहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है? D. Military precision मान के चलो. What is given? Okay. Question number 10. What colors does the new South African flag possess? कौन सा कलर न्यू साउथ अफ्रीकन फ्लैग में रहता है? ए ब्लैक, रेड, ग्रीन, ब्लू एंड गोल्ड. ब्लैक, रेड, येलो, ब्लू एंड गोल्ड. नंबर सी ऑरेंज, ब्लैक, येलो, ब्लू एंड सिल्वर. ब्लैक, ब्लू, वायलेट, सैफरन एंड ग्रीन. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री विथ ए? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री विथ बी? Actually, A is the correct answer. I am giving you black, red, green, blue and gold. Black, red, green, blue and gold. So far I remember, these all 5 colors are there. Okay. Now move on to the next. Number 11. You see, the structure they created form the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. What structure is Mandela talking about? कौन से स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बात कर रहा है? नंबर ए, racial domination against the black skinned. Hey, see here, racial domination against the black skinned. Number B, poverty and suffering. Number C, discrimination against the poor. Number D, oppression of women. कौन नहीं आया है? Yes, you come. You come. First, let me complete these 2 rows, then I will move on to the third. Do you all agree? So, option A is absolutely correct. The structure the white people created were one of the most harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. And what was that structure? Racial domination against the black skinned people. You see here, again I will move on. This one, question number 9. Yes, question 9. I am sorry for this. Actually, military loyalty to democracy is also there. Okay. So, both 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So, we will take option D. Okay. You will just see in the book. refer in the book. Okay, military's precision is also marked over there. Military's loyalty to democracy is also marked over there. So, according to the question, both 1 and 2 is correct. Okay. Now, question 11 we have finished. Now move on to 12. Okay. Whom did Mandela wanted to thank but couldn't? Whom did Mandela wanted to thank but couldn't? Options are his family, white rulers, African patriots who no longer existed, D military. Yes, you come. Satyam. Yes, option C is absolutely right. He is absolutely right. So Mandela wanted to thank the African patriots who no longer existed, because he was not only present in the freedom struggle, along with him so many African patriots who gave their life, they also participated in the freedom struggle. They also spoke against apartheid. Okay, so he wanted to thank the African patriots who no longer existed, okay, who are no longer alive. Okay, so I'll move on to the next question. What unintended effect did the decades of oppression and brutality had? कौन सा अनइंटेंडेड इफेक्ट पड़ा हुआ था जो कितने दशकों तक वो लोग प्रताड़ित करते रहे, व्हाइट स्किन पीपल प्रताड़ित करते रहे तो ओरिजिनल साउथ अफ्रीकन पीपल को, ठीक है। तो कौन सा इफेक्ट था जो कि अनइंटेंडेड इफेक्ट था? ए क्रिएटेड मैन ऑफ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी करेज, विजडम एंड जनरसिटी, बी पॉवर्टी एंड सफरिंग, सी बॉयकॉट फ्रॉम फॉरेन नेशंस, डी बोथ 2 and 3. Who can give the right answer? Yes, you come. Both 2 and 3. How? What unintended effect did the decades of oppression brutality had? Foreign nations. हाँ. Do you all agree? Yes. So this is the right answer. He has understood. Both 2 and 3. Option D is the correct answer. Okay. According to Mandela, what is the greatest wealth of a nation? मंडेला के अनुसार सबसे महान जो वेल्थ है नेशन का क्या होता है? मिनरल्स, जेम्स, डायमंड्स, पीपल. ओके, दीज आर द ऑप्शंस. यू कम. Do you all agree? Yes. According to Mandela, what is people are the greatest wealth of a nation. In any nation, people are the greatest wealth. Okay, you must remember. Not only in South Africa, but in all the nations, people are the greatest wealth. Everything is done for the people only, for the welfare of the people only. Okay, now come to the next question. What did Mandela learn about courage? A है, it is absence of fear. Number B, it is the triumph over fear. Number C, both 1 and 2. D, none of the above. मंडेला करेज के बारे में वो क्या जानते हैं? It is absence of fear. It is the triumph over fear. Both 1 and 2. None of the above. Yes, you come. जिनका नहीं हुआ है पहले उनका कर लें, उसके बाद. So both 1 and 2. Do you all agree? Yes. Mandela learned about courage. That courage is the absence of fear as well as it is the triumph over fear. ठीक है? So it is the absence of fear and also it is the triumph over fear. Do you all agree? Yes. So both 1 and 2, option C is correct. Number 16. What are a man's obligations in life? मनुष्य का क्या कर्तव्य होता है जीवन में करने का, क्या जिम्मेदारियां होती है? A, obligation to people. B, obligation to family. C, obligation to God. Number D, both 1 and 2. Now, next, you come. Hey, don't tell the answer, please. Do you all agree? Yes. So option D, both 1 and 2 is correct. Obligation to the people, obligation to family. Okay, both these options are truly correct. Okay. Now the next question is, why were 2 national anthems sung? 2 national anthems क्यों गाए गए? Number A, to imply unity. Number B, to mark the end of racial discrimination. Number C, to mark the end of gender discrimination. Both 1 and 2. Next. Both 1 and 2. Do you all agree? With both 1 and 2? To imply unity is correct. To mark the end of racial discrimination is also correct. Okay. So both 1 and 2, A and B answers are right. Means option D is correct. Now I will move on to the next question. Question 18. What comes more naturally to heart according to Mandela? Mandela अपने दिल में क्या सोचते हैं? एक प्राकृतिक तरीके से उनके दिल में कोई बात आती है. ओके, वो क्या है? जो ऑप्शंस आर हेट्रेड, नंबर बी यूनिटी, नंबर सी लव, नंबर डी रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ये चारों में कौन सी बात उन्हें उनके दिल को छू जाती है? ठीक है. नेक्स्ट. कोई एक सही है. रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन का मतलब हो गया जाति का भेदभाव. यस, कम एंड गिव द राइट आंसर. This is the correct answer, option C. Love. According to Mandela, love comes more naturally to his heart. Okay, love for the people, love for the countrymen, love for the society. Okay. Now next question. Question 19. What realizations did Mandela have of his boyhood freedom? क्या उनको पता चला मंडेला को अपने बचपन के जो फ्रीडम के बारे में? A, it is just an illusion. Number B, he was born free. Number C, freedom was meant for kids. Number D, he had no realization. Yes, next. Do you all agree with this answer? Yes, sir. How many of you agree? Raise your hand. You don't agree? You agree? So option A is absolutely right because it was just his illusion. Okay. So it is just an illusion is absolutely correct. Okay. Number next. What began Mandela's hunger for freedom? वो फ्रीडम का भूख कैसे उनको किस प्रकार से शुरुआत हुआ मंडेला के अंदर, ये पूछ रहा है. नंबर ए, द फैक्ट दैट इट हैड ऑलरेडी बीन टेकन अवे फ्रॉम हिम. नंबर बी, हिज ऑब्लिगेशन टुवर्ड्स पीपल. Number C, his obligation towards family. Number D, he was born to fight. Next. Let's go. Do you all agree? Yes, the fact that it had already been taken away from him, this is not right. His obligation towards people, he thought of his people only because he didn't think of his family also. Okay, firstly he gave importance to the people. So he jumped into the freedom struggle for the freedom of the people. Okay, so option B is correct. Number 21, which party did Mandela join? मंडेला ने कौन सा पार्टी ज्वाइन किया? ऑप्शन ए इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस, नंबर बी अफ्रीकन नेशनल कांग्रेस, नंबर सी नेशनल अफ्रीकन पार्टी, नंबर डी ही डिड नॉट ज्वाइन एनी पार्टी. Yes, next, anybody else? Yes, you come. Yes, African National Congress. Do you all agree? African National Congress is absolutely right. Okay, ANC. Okay. Now next question. A man who takes away another man's freedom is dash, white, a prisoner of hatred, criminal, rude. Yes, Sonu Kumar, come. Sonu Kumar, come. A man who takes away another man's freedom is a criminal, is absolutely wrong. Okay. The right answer is B. B, option B is the right answer. He is a prisoner of hatred. Okay. Now next question. Now question number 23. Who according to Mandela is not free? मंडेला के अनुसार कौन फ्री नहीं है? ऑपरेसर, ऑपरेस्ड, बोथ 1 and 2, none of the above. Yes, you come. Do you all agree? Option C. Who according to Mandela is not free? I have already taught you. जो ऑपरेसर का मतलब जो अत्याचार करता है, और जो अत्याचार ऑपरेस्ट कौन हुआ? जो अत्याचार सहता है. तो तुम बताओ कौन फ्री नहीं है? How many of you agree with option C, both 1 and 2? No one. How can you say that A is correct? How can you say B is correct? Huh? How can you say B is correct? How can you say? Tell me. Both 1 and 2, C, option C is absolutely correct. जो देखो, जो अत्याचार कर रहा है और जो जिसको अत्याचार हो रहा है, दोनों फ्री नहीं है. I have taught you. Number 24. How did Mandela's hunger for freedom change his life? मंडेला का भूख था किसके लिए? फ्रीडम के लिए. उसकी जिंदगी कैसे बदल गई? ठीक है. नंबर ए, टर्न फ्रॉम फ्राइटन टू बोल्ड, टर्न फ्रॉम लॉ अबाइडिंग अटॉर्नी टू क्रिमिनल, टर्न ए लाइफ लविंग मैन टू live like a monk, all of the above. Turn from frightened to bold, turn from law-abiding attorney to a criminal, turn a life-loving man to live like a monk, all of the above. Who can give the right answer? Yes, come. Do you all agree? He turned a life-loving man to live like a monk. Life-loving man to live like a monk. All are included. How many of you agree with this answer? See, anybody else? Turn from frightened to bold. Is this correct? Turn from a law-abiding attorney to a criminal. Which option do you think it is correct? Option? Huh? All of the above are right. How many of you say? All of the above is right. Okay. Because he turned from frightened to bold. Already I have taught you. He turned from law-abiding attorney to a criminal. He turned to a life-loving man to live like a monk. So all these are right. Okay. All these depict the characters of Nelson Mandela. Question number 25. What does depths of oppression create? Depths of oppression क्या create करता है? A. Oppressed. Number B. Heights of character. Number C. Poverty. D. Lack of freedom. Who can give the right answer? Yes, you come. How do depths of oppression create? What does depths of oppression creates? Do you all agree? How many of you agree with this answer? Yes. Aditya, give the right answer. You don't agree? Then give the right answer. Huh? Who does not agree? Who does not agree? You have to give the right answer. Then, what is the answer according to you? So, what does depths of oppression create? Lack of freedom. हाँ, इतना ज्यादा ऑपरेशन हुआ कि फ्रीडम चले गया. सही है. ओके, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. So that's all for the multiple choice questions I have discussed with you. My dear students, I will come with more multiple choice questions in the next class. Thank you.